The Scudo S6 Matte Black Double Door Quadrant Shower Enclosure 800mm by 800mm will take your bathroom to a whole new level of beauty. Available here at Bella Bathrooms. Created with clear glass and a magnificent matte black finish, this sleek black shower enclosure adds a touch of style to any space. Its quadrant shape allows for space-saving corner placement, perfect for those looking to maximize their bathroom layout. It's not just about appearance. The smooth sliding action double doors ensure easy access and seamless functionality. Plus, with the Aqua Shield glass treatment, you can say goodbye to water stains and limescale buildup, keeping your shower enclosure crystal clear and low maintenance. Complete the look with our range of stunning matte black accessories and transform your shower room into a sanctuary of style and luxury. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.